Are you done? Show me finished. All finished? You want more? 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 Yes? Okay. Here you go. There's some more. No more? That's roast. Don't throw it down on the ground. You don't like roast? You don't like it? No? Say hi, everybody. Ryland's gonna be 1 year old pretty soon. It's gonna be her birthday. Yeah, in 1 week. Yeah. Yay! 1 year old. Little kisses. Mwah. Praise the Lord. Yay! More? More praise the Lord? More praise the Lord. Yay! Finished? Finished. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.